little cheek. Can I have that one to eat? Very puppy. Thank you.
What's coming here?
This is Rafi's bowl of popcorn. What about your full face? Like this.
Here's your funny face. Yeah?
Hi, Mum.
Oh, really?
Mum.
Oh, yes.
Daddy.
Yeah.
Daddy. Daddy.
Who else do you know?
Mama. Bird. Bear.
Bear. No, a bear.
Bear.
You know a bear? Do you know a mouse?
Hmm.
Who's mouse? Oh, she's still trying to get her collar off. Oh, look, she's got it between her teeth. See? And that's the tightest it goes as well. They don't make collars tiny enough for little mice.
Daddy.
Oh, thanks, Rafi. Got my hand. Hmm? Hey! Hey! Too strong. Oh! Mouse popcorn. Dogs like popcorn. Does. No, but mice do.
That'll take her a week to eat.
Baby.
Wee wee.
Because I keep saying about taking my mouse out for wee wee, but whenever he looks at it, he just calls her wee wee now. Her name's not wee wee. Her name's Mouse. I think that may be a sign that dogs don't eat popcorn.
Yeah. Come on, Raf, do something funny so we can send it in. No. Fair enough.